everyone! I'm back with another video. We have the Winter 2021 Pusheen Box today and getting it on December 30th. So this is going to be, the theme is holiday movie night, I think. And this box is late. It's probably like Christmas was like Saturday and it's Thursday today, so it is what it is. I'm excited. The price of the box, I think with shipping and taxes and all that, for me it was like $52, which is kind of getting up there from what I remember, but boxes and stuff like that, like subscriptions, seem like they're going up across the board, so I'm not too surprised. But I'm pretty sure I canceled for the spring box. But if I see some spoilers that I like, I might resubscribe to it. We'll just have to see how it goes. Alright, so let's open this one up. They did share some spoilers, and since my box was coming a little later than some other people's boxes, I kind of already looked at what pretty much everything was going to be because I was kind of impatient. And Instagram is way too easy to look at. So I pretty much already know everything that's in it, but oh well. Okay, so here's the box. Comes like this. Everything looks pretty full. It looks kind of slender, but it definitely looks like lengthwise it's pretty hefty. So let's look at what we have here. Okay, so the first thing we have is some cozy socks. Yeah, cozy gripper slipper socks. And I did get some that had like Christmassy penguins on for Christmas. But you know, these are pretty cute. Got the little winter Pusheen, and they're pink, and hey, it's gonna be really cold where I'm at in Minnesota, so I'm excited to get this. It's gonna be like negative whatever it's gonna be on Saturday for New Year's. So that's exciting. Hey Dory, are you in frame? Oh, she's leaving. Dory's leaving. Okay, the next thing we have here, I guess I could look at this little card. Get cozy on the couch in this comfy Pusheen pullover. Okay, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be a t-shirt or a long sleeved or what it was going to be. So we got a long sleeve, nice blue, icy blue color. And yeah, this is pretty nice. So I think it adds value to the box. So maybe that's why it was maybe a little extra. But yeah, that's cute. The only thing is that he's got the little Santa hat on and stuff, so it looks a little Christmassy, but I think I'll still wear it. Like, why not? Right, so that's cool. Alright, what do we have next? I think I saw a blanket, and I'm pretty excited. Looks like it's going to be kind of a sheer blanket, but that's okay. Yeah. So it's kind of a lighter blanket. It's got a tag, but it comes off like that. So it's a lighter blanket. Yeah, pretty sheer, but they're always fun to have. Let's see what it says. I'm struggling. Okay, so snuggle time, and it has Pusheen, and then pillow it looks like, and then like a blanket and some like gingerbread cookie, candy cane, and a cup maybe hot cocoa or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty sheer, so it's definitely not super high quality, but it's definitely nice and like shiny and a cute color. And if you just need something like really just simple to just kind of put on when you're like watching TV, I mean, it's basically a winter blanket, like a winter design on the blanket, but I would definitely use this in the summertime just because it's so light, and then just have a little something something. So it's kind of cool. And I know we'll use it. It just seems maybe even a little bit lighter than a blanket that we had a couple years ago with Pusheen on it. But anyway, so that's pretty fun. And we're definitely going to use this. Even if we just put it on something for like an accent or something, it'll be fun. So we did get a few things this time. So we have 3 things down. The next thing is a plushie. Sometimes they put in these small ones, which is really nice because I love getting one, even if it's just the, I don't know if you call these the 5 or 6 inch ones. So it was Pusheen, a little blanket, and a little popcorn, and they had that little popcorn one, or the popcorn type of one for a while now, but they added like a blanket on a small one. So that's kind of cool, adds to the value. Just another one for the collection that I have that I need to get some shelving for and stuff. But yeah, he's pretty fun. And what do we have next? Glass salt shaker. Salt shaker? Maybe because it's popcorn themed, you get a maybe popcorn salt shaker or something. I don't know. But I mean, why not? Oh, this is pretty cute though. I mean, it is pretty cute. So maybe if I wanted to get, maybe if I didn't want salt, maybe if I wanted to get like one of those like popcorn seasoning things, I feel like I could use that. I feel like I'd most likely use that. Since most people kind of already have like salt pepper shakers and you wouldn't want to like break them up and stuff. So, this is alright. And I can't seem to get the cap back on, so that's always fun. The bane of my existence here. So that'll probably be a pain to take on and off, so you probably don't want to do that a lot. Yep, it's a nice cute little print thing on there. And then some popcorn, little guys, popcorn buckets. I mean, cute. I mean, it's on theme, obviously, but I think there'll be more of like an accent thing where you put different decor or pens in here or something to that effect. Like, I don't know if I'm actually going to use these. Oh well. Not for the intended purpose, because I eat a lot more popcorn than that. And then we have a movie checklist, which I wasn't sure if it was going to be a notepad or... Yeah, so it's movie checklist notepad, which I don't... It fits the theme, though, if I could figure out how to open it. Struggle is real. The struggle is real. Oh my gosh. Alright, well this is annoying. Do I need scissors? I think I need scissors. Okay, I went and grabbed some scissors because I'm hopeless at getting that open. So it says movie checklist, movies I want to watch, and then maybe some rating. You give it like a happy or a frowny face. Thoughts and synopsis. Movies I've watched. Thoughts. I mean, it's kind of cute. I don't really watch a lot of movies, but you can always use it to write down something. Scratch paper, I guess. And then we have usually there's a vinyl figure in each box. So this one is going to be kind of like what the blanket design was. It's, you know, coffee, remote, Pusheen, the pillow, blanket, movie, cozy night type of thing. So that's all we got in the box. Yeah, so it looks like it came with, oh, I said 7 things, but it's actually 8 different items. So I think for me, this little guy, the blanket, the shirt, and the socks basically makes up the value for me. Everything else, well, the vinyl figure is pretty cute too. So maybe that has some like value. I'm never like super excited to get these, but they're pretty cute. But these 2 things, the notepad, kind of feels like dollar store type of thing. So is this super worth it? If you're really into Pusheens like I am, then it's not a bad thing to get, but I wouldn't be running out to get like the next one or something like that. Unless they really come out with a theme that you think you'd like. This I just I signed up and I didn't really want to cancel. I just wanted to like get it just for the sake of getting it. But yeah, this was December 2021 movie night. And it had kind of like holiday-ish winter theme to it a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah, Dory? What you doing? You like being in frame? You wanna play? Dory, you wanna play?